In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access QuickBooks Online Test Drive. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to explore new features or someone just starting out with QuickBooks, this test drive offers a fantastic opportunity to get hands-on experience without any commitment. So, let's dive in and explore this useful tool. First, what you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. It's essential to ensure that you're visiting the official site to safeguard your information. Once you're there, you'll notice a user-friendly interface designed to help you find what you need quickly and efficiently. Look around, familiarize yourself with the layout. It's always a good idea to know your way around an interface before getting started. Now, within the QuickBooks site, locate the Settings option, usually found at the upper right corner of the page. This settings menu is your gateway to exploring the full capabilities of QuickBooks Online. Give it a click. Once you've entered the settings area, a whole world of functionality opens up to you. Here, you are encouraged to explore the various features that QuickBooks Online has to offer. You can access the account settings, tailored to help you manage your business's financial health with precision and ease. It's the ideal place to start if you want control over your company's financial data. Take your time to navigate these options. There's a wealth of customizable features that can enhance your bookkeeping processes. The settings menu also allows you to manage users, which is crucial if your business relies on multiple team members inputting data or overseeing finances. You can add users, assign roles, and set permissions to ensure everyone has the level of access they need. If payroll is a significant aspect of your business, delving into the payroll settings will be highly beneficial. QuickBooks offers robust payroll management tools that can streamline how you pay employees and file taxes. Having immediate access through the test drive lets you experiment with different payroll scenarios without affecting real data, providing invaluable insight into how QuickBooks can work for your business. This QuickBooks Online Test Drive is an incredible resource, not just for testing features, but also for gaining confidence in using the platform. Try out recording transactions, generating reports, or setting budgets all within a safe and consequence-free environment. By practicing with these tools, you'll be well prepared to implement QuickBooks in your actual business processes efficiently and effectively. We hope you find this exploration of QuickBooks Online's test drive empowering and beneficial. Remember to bookmark the QuickBooks website so you can return and continue learning. With these insights, you're now ready to experience the full potential of QuickBooks Online. Thank you for joining us today, and happy exploring.